All right, 2024. It's a new unused little skid steer loader. Get the auxiliary set up right here, ready to roll with some attachments. This comes with the quick disconnect bucket right there, 42-inch bucket. I believe this one's got 16.5 horsepower. My memory's correct. Yep, 16.5, I believe. Yeah, pretty easy to use. Fire it up and show you how it works real quick. Pretty basic. Choke, key, throttle. You get the power shut off over on this side right here. Disconnects all the power. Gives the power. Gas, ready to go. Simple. Yeah, you can come down, check them out Friday before the sale, 9 to 4 all day. We'll be here, check everything out. Questions in between that, let us know. Otherwise, start bidding. Let's go.